We're getting some breaking news. Discussion in the parliament on space hero Shubhanshu Shukla's return. Lok Sabha to hail space hero Shubhanshu Shukla. Kiren Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, says that he hopes that opposition MPs will cooperate on the Shubhanshu Shukla debate. He has said that our hero, Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, who is back from International Space Station, and today the discussion on this historic achievement will take place in the Parliament. A special discussion will take place on this, and I hope members of all political parties participate in this discussion like they did in Operation Sindoor discussion. This is what Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has said.
हम सब का हीरो पहला भारतीय है जो इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में जाकर के आए हैं। कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला अब भारत लौट आया है, तो इस खुशी में आज पार्लियामेंट में शुभांशु शुक्ला का स्पेस यात्रा अंतरिक्ष में पहुंच करके इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में भारत का झंडा को ऊंचा करके आए हैं, तो ये सब भारतीय के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है। तो उनके ऑनर में आज पार्लियामेंट में एक स्पेशल डिस्कशन होगा।
And my colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Piyush, how much time has been allotted for this special discussion on Shubhanshu Shukla? And also we heard Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju seeking opposition MPs cooperation for this.
Well, certainly today at around 2 p.m. this discussion will take place, and this discussion will be initiated by Union Minister for Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh, in which multiple leaders from BJP and from NDA will be participating, and from opposition also we can expect the leaders to participate. But everything will decide only after the meeting of Business Advisory Committee, which is also to take place today in the Parliament. And after that meeting itself, it will also be decided as to how many hours have been allotted in both the houses of Parliament to have a discussion on the successful return of Shubhanshu Shukla. Remember that Kiren Rijiju, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has requested all political parties, irrespective of a group they belong to take part in this historic discussion, because it's the historic achievement of Shubhanshu Shukla, and sources are suggesting that group captain Shubhanshu Shukla is also likely to meet PM Narendra Modi today in the evening. But before that, the discussions will take place in Parliament, and Kiren Rijiju has requested all political parties to participate in this.
All right, Piyush, thank you for those details.